Welcome to Worth Following Weekly, 5 minutes of mentoring on the skills and concepts of leadership to help you build your influence, grow in confidence, and reflect on the practices of leaders like you who desire to become worth following. I'm your host, lead facilitator for Roots to Sky Consulting, Mark Legbold. I recently attended a seminar on AI, artificial intelligence. This one was all about how AI impacts or has the potential to impact our elections and the political systems in general. I couldn't help but reflect on the range of emotions that went through me that day: uncertainty, thankfulness, fear, wonderment, and hopefulness were some. But a constant throughout the day was the emotion of amazement. How can we, as human beings, produce something so amazingly adaptive to our work and life? What type of team was able to harness the capability to design such a system that was actually able to learn and change answers from what we have already created? And where do we fit in the future with a machine that is able to learn from us as we are able to learn from it? What are the constants in human interaction, and what will change? Pretty amazing to think about. One constant throughout the seminar was the responsibility of the people. When it comes to the fear of frequent inputs of disinformation and deepfakes, the people's responsibility to exercise their curiosity and critical thinking becomes even more important. Critical thinking and curiosity, the ability to ask questions and seek answers, even when they disagree with your current level of comfort. So, how do we do this? How do we seek truth? Where do we seek truth? And how does this seeking make us a better leader? How do we challenge others to grow as well, when comfort in feeling seems to be valued more than resting on facts? Well, let's start with some definition and discussion. And to help, I've asked my friend, ChatGPT, to help with the discussion. I asked my friend what truth is, and here's what they say. Truth is the correspondence between a statement or belief and objective reality. In other words, something is true if it accurately reflects the way things really are. This concept can be interpreted and understood in various contexts, including philosophy, science, ethics, and everyday life. Ultimately, truth is fundamental to understanding the world around us and forms the basis of knowledge and rational discourse. If I whittle down what my friend just told me, the correspondence between my beliefs and your beliefs and a shared objective reality allow us to have rational discourse or conversation. As leaders and followers, the challenge is not to value belief over shared objective reality or facts. They both have value, and AI is a key tool in seeking truth as well as building beliefs. As leaders, we need to build a culture where our people are safe to explore, question, and constantly strive to challenge the beliefs of others through the work of finding the reality. So, what are some ways you, as a leader who is worth following, can help in this regard? Well, first, set the tone yourself. Model an inquisitive mindset. Talk about your challenges with your beliefs and in your pursuit of finding the objective reality. Leaders who are able to speak, model, and act in a way that exhibits what psychologist Carol Dweck referred to in her book, Mindset, A New Psychology of Success. She refers to it as a growth mindset. It's more than just personal flexibility and reflection. It's actually modeling the process of questioning and growing in your beliefs. If you're meeting formally with your colleagues or even in casual workplace conversations, talk about what challenged your beliefs rather than just your beliefs, especially in areas that can be heavily influenced by AI. Just saying that you saw a video that really changed your belief in a certain area and then how you work to find truth can really inspire others to do the same. But you have to model that you worked to find truth. And in the end, they will view you as more of a leader who is worth following because of your flexibility and your ability to change. Since artificial intelligence is already all around us and continues to influence nearly every aspect of what we do, we're going to really dig deep into how it will for the next couple episodes, especially in the area of leadership. Look, I'm no expert in AI, but together we can take a journey to become a leader who is more knowledgeable, more willing to change, and worth following. We'll see you next week.